Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the OBS Virtual Camera on Chatruletka. First, download the OBS Campix and extract it to your desktop. You will find the download link in the description. After that, run and install both reg files. This will rename the OBS Virtual Camera. Now, I will open my browser and go to the Chatruletka. As you can see, the OBS camera is not showing and my real webcam is being detected. To fix this, I will minimize the browser, right click on this PC, click Manage and open Device Manager. Here I need to find my real webcam and disable it. Once that's done, I will minimize the Device Manager and open the browser again. After refreshing Chatruletka website, you can see that the OBS virtual camera is now working properly. Next, I will minimize the browser again and open OBS Studio. Now, I will add the color source so you can clearly see that it's working. After that, I will restart the virtual camera. Then, I will go back to the browser and as you can see, everything is working fine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.